Hi Mrs Mitchell's group, this is your final lesson for maths this week, and your step is to identify the missing numbers on 100 square this time. What do you notice about the numbers on 100 square? Pause the video while you have a think. Okay, so what I've worked out is that as you move towards the right, you're adding on 1 every time. So as you move towards the left, you're taking away 1 every time. As you move down, you're getting 10 bigger every time. Look, the tens number adds 1 every time. It's changing by adding 1, but the ones number is staying the same. So as you move up the 100 square, you are subtracting 10 every time. Which numbers are missing on this 100 square, and how do you know? Pause the video while you write them down. Okay, I know that this one is the number 2 because it's in between 1 and 3. This one is 25 because it's in between 24 and 26, but it's also in between 15 and 35. It's 10 bigger than 15. This one is 57. It's in between 56 and 58. It's in between 47 and 67. This one is 73, it's 10 bigger than 63, it's 1 bigger than 72. This is 99, it's 1 bigger than 98, it's 1 less than 100, and it's 10 more than 89. Which numbers are missing now, and how do you know? Pause the video while you write them down. Okay, so I've got 21, 23, 31, 33, 41, 43. The number that's in between 21 and 23 is 22. In between 31 and 33 is 32. In between 41 and 43 is 42. Here, I can just count in ones as I move along, so I can go 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Which numbers are missing from this? This has been taken from 100 square. So the 100 square is here if we need to use it to help us. I know that as I'm moving towards the right on 100 square, I'm adding on 1 every time. So 14, 15, 16, 17. As I'm moving along, I'm adding on 1 to 25, 26, 27. As I'm moving to the left, I'm subtracting 1. 27, 26, 25, that's going to be 24. 10 more than 14 is 24. 10 more than 17 is 27. 10 less than 26 is 16. Now you try. Pause the video while you have a go. So I know that as I move towards the right, you're just adding on 1. So 83, 84, 85, 86, 93, 94, 95, 96, 36, 37, 38. Moving down, I'm adding on 10, 48, 58. As I move to the right, I'm subtracting 1. So I could start from here and subtract 1. 48, 47, 46. And look, I'm adding on 10 every time moving down. 36, 46, 56, 37, 47, 57, 38, 48, 58. So moving down, my ones number stays the same, but my tens number gets 1 bigger each time. Now have a go without using the 100 square. Pause the video while you draw this and fill in the gaps. Okay, so I could just think 1 more before 10 and 1 more before that. I could subtract 10 as I'm moving up. So 29 subtract 10 is 19. 19 subtract 9, subtract 10 is 9. 28 subtract 10 is 18. 18 subtract 10 is 8. So it goes 8, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, 28, 29, 30. Let's try this together. So previously we've had to fill in a square with missing numbers, but now they're going to be irregular shapes, random shapes like this. So I could use 100 squared to help me. I've got 1, 2, something, something, something. I know that as I move along I add on 1, so I've got 1, 2, 3. As I go below 2 I'm adding on 10. So 10 more than 2 is 12. 10 more than 12 is 22. Now have a go at these ones. To help you with this one, what I would suggest is that you fill in a number here or here to help you with this one. Pause the video while you have a go at these. Don't forget you can use the 100 square if you like, but you don't need to. So adding on 1 as I move to the right, 54, 55, 56. Adding on 10 as I move down, 56, 57. And then here, to get this one, I could either think about what this one would be or what this one would be. So 55, add, oops, I've just done that one wrong, 54, 55, 56. Adding on 10 as I move down, that should be 66. Adding on 10 as I move down, 55 add 10 is 65. Adding on 10 as I move down, that's 75. Or I could think if that's 56, that's 66, that's 76. So this one's going to be 1 less than 76, which is 75. Okay, I've got to start with 37 now. I could do the one after 37 moving to the right, that's 38. I could do the one down from that, which is 10 more, that's 47. Subtracting 10 as I move up, 47, 37, 27. 38, subtract 10 is 28. Taking away 1 as I move to the left, 28, 27, 26, 25, 38, 37, 36. And I'm checking now, 26 add 10 is 36, 27 add 10 is 37, add 10 is 47, 28 add 10 is 38. Let's try this without the 100 square. And to help me I'm going to have to fill in some of the gaps to work out the missing numbers. So starting with 50, what I could do is think, what would that one be? What would that one be to help me with that one? So 50 take away 10 is 40, take away 10 is 30, take away 10 is 20. If that's 50, to get this one I could work out what this one would be. Subtract 1 from 50, that's 49. Subtract 1 is 48. Moving up, I'm subtracting 10. So 49, 39, subtract 10 is 29. As I move to the left, I'm subtracting 1. So 40, 39, 30, 29. 29 subtract 1 is 28. Moving up, I'm subtracting 10. 28 subtract 10 is 18. And then moving to the left is subtract 1, so that's 17. Let's just check. 17, 18, 19, 20. Moving down, 28, 29, 30. Moving down, this will be 38, 39, 40, 48, 49, 50. Now you have a go at these. Pause the video while you do this. So I'm going to start with this 44. I know that to the right is going to be one bigger, which is 45, and to the left is one smaller, which is 43. Moving up is subtract 10, so that's 33. To get this one, I've got to work out what this one is, or this one is. 45 add 1 is 46. And then moving up is subtract 10, so that's 36. And this should work 33, 34, 35, 36. So if that was 34, that can help me with this one. 24, subtract 10 is 14. Moving to the left, I'm subtracting 1. So 13, 12, 11. I'm just going to check. 11, 12, 13, 14, add 10, 24, add 10, 34, subtract 1 is 33, add 10, add 1, add 1, add 1, subtract 10. Okay, starting with 88, I could work out this one or this one to help me with this one. So 88 add 1 is 89. Moving down, I'm going to add on 10, so that's 99. To get this one, I've got to work out this one or this one. So 88 subtract 10 is 78. Moving to the left is subtract 1, so that's 77. Moving up is subtract 10, so that's 67. 78, 77, subtract 1, 76, subtract 1, 75. Moving down, I'm adding on 10. I've got 7 tens at the moment, add 1 more 10. 85, add 10, 95. Moving to the right, add on 1, 96. Let's check this area works. 67, 77, that would be 87, that would be 97, 75, 85, 95, 76, 86, 96. Okay, so to get this one, I've got to work out this one or this one. 1 before 75 is 74. And then it's subtract 10, subtract 10, subtract 10. So 10 less than 74 is 64. Subtract 10 is 54. Subtract 10 is 44. Well done if you got those right. They were a bit tricky. And that's the end of the maths today. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.